Characters: Thảo My, 8 years old, warm, caring. Thảo My, 4 years old, cheerful, curious. Gao, 3 years old, cute, playful. Scene 1, at the living room, on the afternoon.
What are you playing, Thảo My?
I'm building a big house.
Wow, can I help?
Yes, let's build together.
Me too, me too.
Okay, go. You can put this block here.
Oh no.
Oh no, our house.
It's okay, we can build it again.
Scene 2, after finishing the house.
Great job, everyone.
Our house is so big now.
And Teddy lives here.
Playing together is fun.
Yes, teamwork makes everything better.
The end.